A big part of really optimizing an organization's supply chain involves developing and implementing a certified supplier program. Now, what do I mean by this? A certified supplier program is a formalized, consistent, objective, measurable program that sets minimum expectations at multiple levels for our suppliers to meet our minimum requirements. Now, why is this important? Because if we can establish a set of standards that are consistent and objective and measurable, then it's much easier for us to communicate that to our suppliers. Let them know if they meet these minimum standards on a consistent basis, they will be one of our preferred suppliers. We will go to them, whether it's on a one-off basis or on a continuous basis. If they want to improve and expand their relationship with us, they must move up the preferred supplier chain. Well, how do they do that? There's typically multiple tiers. There's a minimum level to do business with us. Then there's one level of certification above that to go from an approved supplier to a preferred supplier. From the preferred supplier, we want to be a special supplier, or any other term you want to use, but again, there's a higher level of certification. The benefit to the supplier of this is they understand what our expectations are. They understand how they're being measured. It is objective. It is consistent. It allows them to have specific goals to achieve. If for some reason they don't feel they can meet our standards, then they self-select out. Most suppliers will attempt to achieve these targets and these goals. If they need help, we can talk to them about continuous process improvement. We can develop a true partnership relationship where we can even mentor them. Benefits them and improves their overall operation. Benefits us because we get a more reliable, more consistent supplier we know we can count on. Because when one looks at a supply chain, it's like any other chain. The weakest link is how weak the chain is. If we want our supply chain to truly be strong, a certified supplier program gives us a significant tool to do that, as well as to communicate to all of our suppliers, and even down to their suppliers' suppliers, what is expected, so that everyone can win.